Redeeming a Google Play gift card on an iPhone.
Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about how to redeem a Google Play gift card on your iPhone. It may seem a bit tricky since Google Play and the iPhone are from different ecosystems, but don't worry, we've got you covered.
What do you need?
First and foremost, you need your Google Play gift card and an internet connection. Make sure you have your gift card handy and your iPhone is connected to the internet.
How to access Google Play Store on iPhone?
Now you might ask, but isn't Google Play Store not available on iPhone? Correct, but we will access the Google Play Store via your web browser. Simply open your preferred web browser on your iPhone and go to the Google Play website.
How to log into your Google account?
Before you can redeem your gift card, you need to log in to your Google account. If you already have a Gmail or Google account, just use that to log in. If not, you can easily create a new one by following the on-screen instructions.
Where to input your gift card code?
Once you're logged in, go to the Redeem section on the left-hand side menu. Here you'll find a space to enter your gift card code.
Redeeming your gift card.
To redeem your gift card, simply type the code from the back of your gift card into the redemption box. After typing in your code, click on the Redeem button.
Confirming your redemption.
A pop-up screen will appear confirming the amount that you've added to your Google Play account. Click on Confirm, and you've successfully redeemed your Google Play gift card on your iPhone. So there you have it, an easy way to redeem a Google Play gift card on your iPhone. We hope this guide has been helpful for you, and now you can enjoy your gift card to purchase apps, games, movies, music, and more on Google Play. Happy shopping!